Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to tell you about these little accent lanterns that I have on the four corners of my pergola. So I really love them because they're solar powered and they add just a little accent light, some mood lighting, if you will, at night. And I love the fact that they're solar powered and very lightweight, so I can hang them on my pergola and they're not going to weigh it down. They're very easy to install and I don't have to worry about batteries or electrical cords. So if you're looking for a little solar powered accent light just to add a little bit of color or beauty to your outdoor space, these are the perfect lights for you. They have a very dim light, so it's an accent light and not a lot of brightness, but they're solar powered, so they require no battery or electricity, so you can literally hang them anywhere, which is what I really love about them. And that is my point of view.